gonna make this little two-piece set, and I want you guys to come along. Are you ready? Are you ready for your blessing? Are you ready for your miracle? That sounded good, huh? Welcome back. Listen, it is another Fashion Friday, and listen, I had to clean up my little fabric inventory and organize all my thread and my colors again. I did it before, but you know, when you just looking for something, you really don't put it up. When you purchase more fabric, you just add it to where you think it should go. So as I was going through my fabric, I realized like, oh snap, I have a lot of fabric and I need to stop spending money. So I found this white cotton that I'm gonna use. It's a little light, very breathable. I do like that, but I'm gonna make this little two-piece set.